My name's Robin. I'm new to YouTube and this is a very new YouTube experience for me. I've watched so many videos on fashion and skincare and things like that. It all totally interests me and that's what I want to do on my channel. I want to show you the different things and techniques that I do at my house, in my home, and what works and what doesn't work. To add on to that, I am 40, so welcome to my channel called This is 40. I have 5 kids and I'm a full-time teacher as well, so that's why it's taken me so long to get into this. The first thing I would like to talk about today is this Kelly West Microdermabrasion 360. This is pretty old. I've been using it for about 2 years now, and there's not a lot about it on YouTube. I tried finding a lot of videos. I maybe saw 1 or 2. So I'm gonna do a little mini review on it to show you what it looks like and show you how I use it. So this is it. It comes in this nice box. I've kept it in the box. Once you open the box, comes out like this. Now the reason it's called the Kelly West 360 is because if you push this button, you can turn it. See? And then it makes it much easier to get to hard to reach places. I usually use it just on this. And the box, I've kept it just the way it came. Take this out. There's a bag of filters, which I'm going to use one. And put it up here, like that, put it like that. And there is the 2 different heads. So this broke from me using it so much. This head is a larger head and it is for on your body. They recommend using it on your arms and legs and belly and back or anywhere else. This one is the one that I use the most. You can tell because it's a different color. This one they recommend to use all over your face, your neck, your upper chest, hands, things like that. So I'm going to take this out. They're both the same size on the bottom. See? And they fit in here. And put it on top of the filter, like this, okay? Also inside the box, I have this. So it just plugs right in. I'm just plugging it in. Can you see that? Now this just fits right into there. There. Now, before I do anything, I want to show you that it comes with a Kelly West Microdermabrasion book. I've never actually looked in the book, maybe the first time I used it. It tells you details about it. And it tells you the definition of microdermabrasion. What is microdermabrasion? The face that we present to the world is just the tip of the iceberg beneath our outer epidermal layer, which over time becomes a layer of dead skin cells. A healthier looking dermal layer is waiting to be revealed. That's what microdermabrasion does. Microdermabrasion is a non-surgical, non-invasive skin resurfacing technology that uses the dual power of exfoliation and deep suction to remove the old skin cells. So that's what this does. And then it just tells you some more, like what should be in the kit. And directions on how to use it. Okay. And it tells you how to care for it. It also comes with this little bag, which I've never used because I always just put everything back into the box because I like the box. please bear with me. This is one of my very first videos. I'm not used to practicing talking to the camera and doing things on camera, so I'm sorry in advance. And now I'm going to show you how I use this. Oh, one more thing. When you plug it in, this light turns right here blue. And then when you push it one time, it goes a little faster. It's kind of hard to see. I don't know why you can't. Oh, there, now you can see the two lights. And you push it another time, and that's the fastest that it goes. I always use it on the fastest one. So here I go now. Oh, they recommend that you're always going up. Okay, this way. So I do always go up, except on your forehead. It's very hard to get it to suction. So not so much on my forehead. I just kind of go over where my wrinkles are that I'm starting to get there. And I probably use this about every other week. Try to do every week, but it doesn't happen for me. I have 5 kids and a full-time job. So here we go. Oh, and don't forget to hold your skin tight. I'm just gonna look in the mirror over here.
I try to go over each section like 2 or 3 times. The forehead is the hardest. And I also don't see much skin peeling from my forehead as I do on the rest of my face. So I'm holding my skin tight down here so that I can get good suction.
You can see the extra skin peeling off. More skin here. You can see most of my skin that peels comes from these two sides. Okay, so that was pretty much it. Sometimes I take more time, sometimes I go this quickly. I know I said that you're supposed to go up, but in some areas it's kind of hard to go up, so I'll go sideways and then try to go up. On my chest, it was easier to go this way. I forgot to mention that when you do this, you're supposed to do it on clean, dry skin with nothing on. So now I already washed my face, but I'm gonna wash my face again and then apply my night routine serums and moisturizers. The one thing I wanted to mention is a little over a year ago, I had severe acne. I've never had acne before in my life. It was like my whole side of my face here, so that's why you can see these marks. So I'm happy when they're peeled, when I shed a lot of skin there to get rid of these marks, which my face looks so much better than it did a year ago. And that's it. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you like seeing things like this or have any questions about microdermabrasion or any pointers for me so that I can do a better job, please let me know in the comments below. Please subscribe if you would like to see more of these, and let me know what else you would like to see. Oh, I forgot to tell you about this. So when I'm done with this, I unplug it, turn this up, and you can take this off, and this is the skin that came off. Sometimes it's a lot worse than that. I guess I've done this pretty recent, or I use some other ways of exfoliating my skin, so that's why there's not so much, but maybe this looks gross to you. I've seen worse. So I'll take this off. See? Then you wipe this out, which I don't have anything right here, and I'll wash this piece. I will use like a little toothbrush, old toothbrush, and soap and water, and just wash it and then put it back in the box. So I hope you enjoyed this, and thank you. Have a good day.